Canva is a powerful graphic design tool that can help you create stunning visuals to elevate your brand or business. But did you know that Canva can also help you make money online? Here are some ways to make money with Canva. Affiliate marketing. One way to make money with Canva is through affiliate marketing. Canva has an active affiliate program that pays a commission to affiliates who refer paying customers to Canva. You can join the Canva affiliate program and promote Canva to your audience or network with your affiliate link. Whenever someone uses your link to sign up for Canva and subscribes to a paid plan, you earn a commission. The commission rate varies, but it can be as high as 25% per sale. To optimize your affiliate marketing efforts, you can create Canva tutorials, blog posts, or social media posts that showcase how Canva helps people create beautiful designs. You can also create design templates that people can use with Canva and promote them through your affiliate link. Sell your Canva templates. Another way to make money with Canva is by creating and selling your own Canva templates. Canva templates are pre-designed layouts that people can customize with their own content. They can be anything from social media graphics to business cards to ebooks. Canva has a vast library of templates, but you can create your own templates and sell them on platforms like Etsy, Creative Market, or on your own website. To create and sell your Canva templates, you need to have a good understanding of Canva's design tools and principles. You can create templates that cater to a specific niche or industry, or you can create versatile templates that can be used by anyone. You can promote your templates through social media, email marketing, and online marketplaces. Offer Canva design services. If you have a good eye for design and can create beautiful graphics with Canva, you can offer your design services to clients. Canva is a relatively easy tool to learn, but not everyone has the time or skills to create professional-looking graphics. You can offer Canva design services like creating custom graphics, social media posts, or branding packages for businesses. To find clients for your Canva design services, you can promote yourself on social media or freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. You can also reach out to businesses or individuals who could benefit from your design skills and offer your services. In conclusion, Canva is a versatile tool that can help you make money online in various ways. Whether you choose to become a Canva affiliate, sell your templates, or offer design services, there are many opportunities to monetize your Canva skills. The key to success is to create high-quality designs, promote yourself effectively, and provide excellent customer service.